Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use an Apple gift card on Toca Boca. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First you need to open your App Store. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Now select redeem a gift card or code. You can either use the camera to take a photo of your gift card or enter the code manually. So choose according to your preference. After entering the code, tap on redeem. Once the card is redeemed, you can download the Toca Boca app and easily use the Apple gift card on Toca Boca. So that's basically how you can use an Apple gift card on Toca Boca. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.